Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel. As you already know, we bring you the latest and craziest content when it comes to traffic from all around the world. This time is no different, as we prepared another epic episode for your enjoyment. Today, you will watch a mixture of road rage and kind moments. Now, without further ado, let's get this episode started. This biker caught a bad close call on his camera. An older driver ran a red light and he almost hit a biker who was coming from the opposite lane.
Why are they going through a red light? No, hang on. Hey! You just went through a red light and nearly hit a motorcyclist. And I've got it.
I don't think they was working.
They were working, mate.
Was they?
Yeah, you nearly hit him on that motorbike.
Oh, sorry. I didn't think they was working.
Yeah, they're working.
Well, they seem to be red for a long time.
Yeah, well, they're green now. Right, when you're ready.
In this clip, you will see another driver who is not familiar with the highway code and filtering. When the biker pulled up on him, he tried to shift the blame on the biker. Situations like these really make you wonder from time to time just who on earth sits behind the wheels and endangers everyone else's safety.
Is that not a little bit dangerous, or is it just me? Bit close, wasn't it? You gonna try to take me out, are you?
No, you're trying to take me out, aren't you?
No, mate, I had loads of space.
Highway code, stay
Right,
away.
it's called filtering, I'm allowed to do it.
You're not allowed to jump in front of people.
It's filtering, mate. Saves traffic jams. I'm allowed to do it. Yeah. I just thought. He's telling me to stay in my own lane. Is that even recording? I'll be gutted now it's recording. Who's telling me to stay in my own lane?
These little bikers were riding through the forest, but their enjoyment was cut short by an angry forester who came to spoil their fun. Watch exactly what happened.
Ja?
What do you guys think about this, and how would you react if you were in a situation like this? In my opinion, these bikers could have easily reported the guy for an assault. It came to a road rage moment between this old angry Darren and a group of bikers. In my opinion, both parties were a bit at fault here. The driver did dangerously pass them by, nearly hitting one of the bikers in the process. But on the other hand, the biker was riding a bit too much to the left. He could have easily moved to the right and give the driver the necessary space to overtake. When they finally caught up to him, they began to argue about who is right and who not. Both parties had their legit reasons, but overall, it's a good thing that no one got injured in the process.
Fahrer! Ich wollte nur sagen...
Hallo Jungs!
Ja,
Eure Gesichter habe ich auf der Kamera.
okay.
Ihr mein Nummernschild habt ihr euch gemerkt. Ihr seid alle drei flüchtig. Alle drei.
Ich wollte nur sagen, das war
nicht fair.
Das macht man nicht.
Junge, wenn ich bremsen muss, hängst du drauf. Du hast keine Chance.
Ja,
Du bist im Krankenhaus, ich nicht.
ich
hab
bin
einen
aber nur
Kratzer.
50 gefahren.
Junge, ihr seid zu dritt nebeneinander gefahren. Und habt selbst der Golf
Der ist ganz normal auf der Seite gefahren.
Im Moment fühlt sich jeder Autofahrer provoziert, wenn ihr nebeneinander fahrt und dazu macht.
Man darf's aber.
Nee, darfst du nicht.
Doch.
Wenn manche Leute Autos
Behaupten die so eine Scheiße.
Fragen Sie nach, das darf man. Man darf den Platz nutzen dort.
Nein,
Ist
du
mit
darfst
Motorrad
nicht
so.
nebeneinander
und als
fahren auf der
Motorradfahrer gehört, der komplette rechte Fahrstreifen.
Richtig.
Selbst wenn Sie uns
Richtig,
überholen
so ist
wollen,
es.
müssen Sie auf den linken Fahrstreifen wechseln mit linken halt.
Ja, und sobald du Folgeverkehr hast, hast du dich einzuordnen. Glaub es mir. Guck mal, wenn du vollkommen dich im Recht fährst und meinst, ich habe dich gefährdet oder ich habe dich genötigt oder was auch immer,
Ja.
wirfst Gericht.
Ne, mach ich nicht.
Das macht keinen Sinn.
Ja, deswegen.
Das macht keinen Sinn, das bringt nichts. Glaubst du mir? Nee, das war scheiße.
Aber von dir wohl. Ja, gib's doch zu,
Ja.
gib's doch zu.
So, ja, und
Dann ist ja gut,
so,
gib's zu, ist
so.
gut.
In dem Märchenbuch von dem Pfaffen.
It's always an unpleasant experience when you run into a red light runner, especially if the red light runner is turning into the same lane as you are. Biker couldn't notice him because he was turning, and the crazy driver popped out of nowhere in front of him. Only inches were deciding this fateful outcome.
What are you doing? Were you on the outside? Did you run the light? Dude, you almost killed me, bro. I can't believe it. You gotta use your eyes, man. Jesus. I can't see you when I'm turning.
After this road rage situation, we prepared 3 clips of bikers doing the good deeds. Hopefully, you'll enjoy watching them as well.
Here we go.
This cool biker bought some gift cards worth $10 for Chick-fil-A, and he rode out in search for some police officers to gift them.
That'll be it.
Check out how this video turned out to be positive and cool.
I appreciate you. Have a good day. How are you doing? Good. You guys are hard to catch. I said you guys are hard to catch. I didn't want to interrupt y'all when y'all were doing your thing over there with the speed thing, but I was trying to give y'all some gift cards. Well, it's a good deed. My brother's a captain for the city of Spartanburg, and my dad's a retired New York police officer, and my channel really supports our men in blue. And here's a $10 gift card at Chick-fil-A. No, dude. I've been wanting to get a state trooper on here. I've been getting Spartanburg County and stuff. You can get me a patch? Oh, that'd be awesome, man. Thank you. Oh man, we're rebooting the channel, and this is the first thing I wanted to do. Citrus Elmo. So we do good deeds, pranks, and stuff like that. But I'll get you a card. I think I still got one. Yep, sure enough. Thank you so much. Look at this, guys. How cool is that? The very first state trooper.
New York?
Yeah, my dad retired there after 20 plus years, and my brother started at the bottom as a police officer at 21. He's 42 now, and now he's the captain for the city of Spartanburg.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm his brother. I'm his baby brother, the youngest one. Hey, this is perfect, guys. Look at this. We got 2 different police officers. Are you with the city? County. So we have a county officer with a gorgeous Charger, and then we also have our state trooper here. We're going to give this gentleman also a $10 gift card at Chick-fil-A. It's not much, but it's just to show our appreciation for you guys, man. We really do. We know you put your lives on the line every day. What's up, man? How do you like the helmet? Hey, bud. My name's Citrus Elmo, and I'm a YouTuber, and I would love, yep, Elmo. And I'd love to give you, if you want to, there's a Chick-fil-A over there. I'd like to give you a $10 gift card, buy your lunch for you or your breakfast, whatever it be, okay? We appreciate you guys so much.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, not a problem, brother. You take it easy, okay? I appreciate you. What's up, man?
Man, we can't do it today. I'm looking for somebody.
Oh, are you? Ah. Okay, well, here, let me just hand it to you.
Give it to somebody that needs it more than me, man. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're the man. Hey, God bless you. Stay safe, all right? All right, bro. Right. This is perfect. Hopefully it's not the one we've already seen. How's it going, brother? You doing all right? My name's Citrus Elmo, man. I'm a YouTuber, and I'm going around looking for police officers to show my appreciation with a $10 gift card at Chick-fil-A. So you and the pup can get you a bite to eat. What's up, man? Oh man, just enjoying a beautiful day. Oh, yeah. I got one more of these guys, and I wanted to get a city cop. You have no idea who I am?
I've seen you in Bull Spring.
First Amendment guy.
Really?
What's up, man? Yeah, just we're riding around, and I got one more $10 gift card at Chick-fil-A, and I wanted to give it to the city. Yeah, so we're big on police, man. We love our guys.
Lady didn't notice that her door was not properly closed, but luckily for her, this kind biker saw it. He followed her all the way up to the next traffic lights, and he even closed the door like a true gentleman he is. Again, we have this amazing biker who gave out gift cards to police officers. In this video, he does the same, but with children. He got some gift cards and a cartoon quiz for the young ones. If they guess the right answer, they receive the prize. Check out how this biker had some fun time with the children in the mall.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? We got a quiz. SpongeBob. You ever seen SpongeBob SquarePants? Who is SpongeBob's favorite best friend? Captain. I want a $10 gift card. That's how easy it is. Y'all have a great day, okay? Yeah, no problem. Y'all doing alright? Hey, little man, you watch SpongeBob SquarePants? You don't watch watching cartoons? Hey, I got a quiz for you. If you get it right, you get a $10 gift card to get anything you want from the store. Do you know who SpongeBob SquarePants is? SpongeBob, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Okay, how about this? How are you with mathematics? Pretty good? I've got a question for you. What's 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3. Think about it. Count on your hand. 2 plus 3. You got this. Think about it. 2 plus 3. 5? There you go. You just won $10, little man. That easy. Hey, no problem, brother. Y'all have a good day, okay? My name's Citrus Elmo. I'm a YouTuber, and I'd like to ask you some questions to win $10 gift cards here, okay? All right, so here we go. Do you know who SpongeBob SquarePants is? Okay, who is SpongeBob SquarePants? Okay, the little snail. Do you remember the name of the snail? Come on, you got this. How about this? SpongeBob SquarePants' best friend. He's the starfish. The little pink guy. Patrick! Congratulations, you got $10 to buy whatever you want in the store. Give me 5. Awesome. Hey guys, how are y'all? I'm Citrus Elmo, and I would like to ask you some questions. If you get it right, you win a $10 gift card at Five Below. Okay, it's a toy store. Okay? So, do you guys watch SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, so I'm gonna ask each one of you a question. If you get it right, you win a $10 gift card there, okay?
I don't want
Okay.
that much.
You don't want that much? Okay, so, SpongeBob SquarePants. Who does he work for? Mr. Krabs. Easy, wasn't it? Okay. SpongeBob SquarePants. Who is his best friend? The starfish. The pink guy. Patrick. Congratulations! Yeah! Okay. SpongeBob SquarePants. His pet snail. What is the pet snail's name? Come on, you got this. Come on, you got this. Starts with a G. Okay, how about this? Who is SpongeBob's enemy? The little short guy. Come on, you got this. You got this. Mike, there you go. You won. Congratulations. All right. We're going to ask you a hard one. Let's see.
Oh, you gotta figure this out.
What does SpongeBob live in?
And with this kind clip, we reach the end of yet another episode of Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it, and maybe even got inspired to do something like this as well. Until the next episode, stay safe and be awesome.